In this video, we will review the 5 best hairdryer holders. On this channel, we give a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, you should subscribe now and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hairdryer holders. Number 1, AXUAN Wall Mount Hairdryer Holder. Do you want a hairdryer that occupies a small space? Then we recommend AXUAN Wall Mount Hairdryer Holder as the best wall mount hairdryer holder for you. The AXUAN hairdryer holder is an excellent way to organize your hair equipment, such as a hairdryer, flat iron, and curling iron. It cleans and organizes your bedroom or bathroom. This hairdryer rack holder allows heat from your styling items to escape while keeping children, pets, and families safe. You will receive a long-lasting wall mount holder as well as high temperature resistance. Simply mount the bracket into the wall using the corresponding screws. It's incredibly solid, so there's no need to be concerned about falling. It is straightforward to remove and reposition. The high-grade and high-quality aluminum material is used in the construction. Hairdryer holders are effective and helpful pieces of furniture. They are used to organize and store your styling equipment and materials. So don't pick any ordinary product because it will be the ultimate waste of money. The pros are, it is small and easy to set up. It's affordable. It will also save your space. It features heat resistance and built with high quality materials. The cons are, it has little space. Why do we recommend it? The wall-mounted hairdryer holder comes with an affordable price as well as a dynamic design. It indeed saves space in the bathroom, making it appear cleaner. Number 2, JACKCUBE 3-holes hairdryer holder. Do you have many hair tools and are you looking for a proper holder that can hold all of your products with a hairdryer? If our thinking is correct, then this product is for you. So now we are going to introduce you to the most beautiful and stylish hairdryer holder. It is built with faux leather, which looks so gorgeous. These kinds of things are well known from the brand JACKCUBE. It has a lot of space. It can easily hold your different sized hair holders. Are you tense about other instruments? No worries. It can hold all of your hair tools easily because it has many spaces in it, which can hold lots of hair tools quickly. The pros are, the leather finish gives extra beauty. It is capable of holding lots of instruments. It is also very much durable. It's easy to place anywhere and suitable for professional use. However, the cons are, a touch of water can damage it. Why do we recommend it to you? Capacity and the beautiful look is the main reason behind our recommendation. It is capable of holding many instruments and also has a gorgeous look. Moreover, it lasts for a long time if you take care of it. Like this one? Click the link in the description box below. If you haven't made a choice, then keep watching for more options we have for you. Number 3, M-Design Metal Basket for Hairdryer. Are you looking for something more durable than any other hairdryer holder? Then definitely you are going to like this hair holder. This holder is made of metal wire, which is more durable than any other holder. The metallic wire is chrome in color, and the name of the material is alloy steel. You may know about alloy steel, which is very strong and rust resistant, so you have no worries about rust. The name of the brand is M-Design. They always care about durability. That's why they made this holder from steel. The pros are, it is wall mounted. Also, it is rust resistant. It lasts for long. It is well designed and can easily store hot tools. The cons are, this is not heat resistant. Why do we recommend it to you? As durability is the priority, there is no second option except this because it is made of alloy steel that lasts for long and has total rust resistance so that you can keep hot instruments in it. Number 4, JACKCUBE white hairdryer holder with 3 holes. Are you looking for a hairdryer holder that has plenty of entire space? If this is right, it is perfect for you because it has 4 different compartments to hold hair tools, including a hairdryer. The white color is pretty good, and the leather finish made it more beautiful, as this is premium quality leather, so there is no tension about durability. It has tip-top quality. You can easily keep 3 other hair dryers in it, and into the front compartment, you can easily keep all other tools. The pros are, it has plentiful space. It is tip-top quality. The design is unique. It has a heat absorption system. It is best for professional use. The cons are, keep away from water because water can damage the leather. Why do we recommend it to you? Different people have different choices. As you want a hairdryer holder with plenty of spaces, we selected this one for you, which has 4 separate compartments and can hold all the instruments you have for your hair beauty. Number 5, FLE wall-mounted hairdryer holder. Are you looking for a hairdryer holder which is completely wall-mounted? This is the right choice for you because it is easily wall-mounted and you can place it on any of the walls you want. It also has a cable holder which can easily hold the cable of your hairdryer. The design is so unique and you can only lace this one to your wall. It can only hold your hairdryer. It has a silver-colored look and is made of stainless steel, which is rust resistant. Are you worried about the installation process? Do not worry. We assure you that it is straightforward to install on your wall and will take a little bit of time. The pros are, its stainless steel is rust resistant. It can be wall mounted. It can hold the wire. It's adjustable. Also, it's easily installable. The cons are, it cannot hold anything except a hairdryer. Why do we recommend it to you? We know that you are looking for a wall-mounted hairdryer holder. That's why we highly recommend it to you, because it has 2 parts. One part will hold the hairdryer, and the other part will hold the wire and the plug. A hairdryer holder is a vital thing. It provides you extra comfort while using a hairdryer. In addition, you can easily take and keep the dryer in it. Different people have different choices. So our expert team researched and selected this hairdryer holder. We think these holders are the best hairdryer holders in the market. Why late? Grab your one just now. Buying guide. What to look for in a hairdryer holder before buying. 1. Material quality. Material quality is the first thing that you need to be about. When you keep a warm hairdryer or straightener, then it will get damaged. So you need to buy premium quality plastic material, wood, or metallic holders. 2. Holder size. There are 2 types of size that you need to care about. One is the holder size, and the other is the hole size inside the holder. If you have a few hair tools, then you can buy a small size holder. But if you have a large number of devices, you need to buy a big size holder that has a lot of capacity. 3. Heat resistance. Don't forget to check the heat resistance of the device. It is a mandatory factor for a premium hairdryer. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section, and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.